Eggless cherry muffins. Easy, simple, moist, sweet and refreshing. These eggless cherry muffins will literally tick all the boxes. Not to mention they are very healthy too. So you won't feel bad for indulging in this amazing dessert. So let's start this recipe quickly. Let's take a big bowl and then add all the dry ingredients together. I am taking jowar flour. You can take any flour of your choice. You can take refined flour as well. Now baking powder, baking soda and a pinch of salt. So all the dry ingredients are mixed together now. So let's prepare the liquid ingredients. Since it's an eggless cake, so we're gonna use curd. All the measurements are mentioned on the description box. Now add oil. I'm taking olive oil. You can also take coconut oil or any oil of your choice. Mix it together. Mix completely till the time oil mix it with the yogurt. Now add lemon zest. Add vanilla extract. And now the liquid ingredients are ready. I have added the dry ingredients and now I'm adding sugar here. And let's mix it together properly. You can use water or milk here to make the batter a bit of right consistency. I'm adding water and the mixture is ready. So the last ingredient is fresh cherries. So instead of cherries, you can also add blueberry, raspberry, any berries of your choice. I'm taking fresh cherries over here. So now the mixture is ready and it's time to bake. Take your muffin tins and fill it up with a good dollop of the mixture. And now give it a good tap and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, the muffins are ready to serve. I hope I have stirred your interest with these eggless cherry muffins. If I did, and if you are going to bake them, I would love to hear if you liked them and how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you soon.